Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Lazer Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys the easy way by which you can download any video from Facebook newsfeed. Okay, so before we get to the practical video started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Lastly but not the least, don't forget to hit on the notification bell icon, and if you have any question as far as this tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. So let's get the practical started. So the first thing you need to do is to open up your Facebook account. So I'm going to open up my Facebook profile from the screen here. You can see. Now I've opened up your Facebook profile. You can just scroll down and look for any type of video you want to download right from Facebook newsfeed. Okay. So you can see videos. So I'm scroll down and see more videos here. Now let's say for instance I want to download this particular video of BB Ninja store. So all you have to do, let me pause the video. All right, so I just pause the video so that you guys can understand what I'm trying to say. So when you click on the video link, the next thing you have to do is to click on this share icon. Okay. So when you click on the share icon, it's going to present you with various options by which you can share this particular video. But in this video, we are not interested to share this video. What we are interested is to download this particular video from Facebook. So you can switch to the right side and see more options. You can see. Now, when you get to this point, all you have to do is to click on these three dots here. So we click on the three dots, it's going to present you with more various options by which you can share this video. You can scroll down and you can see a lot of options there. But what we are interested here is to share the video to either Google Chrome or Mozilla or Phoenix. So in this regard, I'm using Phoenix browser. So you can as well use this method on Google Chrome. You can as well use this method on Mozilla browser. So whichever browser you are using, all you have to do is to share the video to the browser. So in this regard, I'm going to share this video to this Phoenix browser. So I'm going to click on it right now. Okay, so Facebook is asking me to log in into my account. Sorry, I'm not interested to update now. So you can log in into your Facebook account. So from the top here, this is where you write in your Facebook username. Write your Facebook username here, then your password here, then you click on login. So I'm going to enter my username now. And I'm going to enter my password. So guys, after a successful login, this is how the Facebook is going to present you. Now, the next thing you have to do is to click on here where you see the download icon. So I'm going to click on it right away. Then you come here, click on download. Wow. So it's as simple as that. You can see started download. You can check you can see the download here from the screen here. You can see. So once you are done with the download, then you can click on this icon here, the play icon here, just to play the video from your phone. Can you see? So you can see, guys, so this is how you can actually download Facebook videos from the Facebook platform into your phone. Let me quickly pause it. So you can see, guys, this is how you can actually download Facebook video from the Facebook news feed right in your phone. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you find value for this video, please give the video a big thumbs up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly click on the subscribe button for more tips and tricks about Facebook and Facebook marketing. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.